Just imagine, such an accessible ingredient that you probably already have at home, and which can transform not only your well-being, but also your quality of life. A natural, chemical-free, preservative-free food that, when used correctly, helps combat problems ranging from digestion to more serious issues, such as controlling blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Can you imagine what it is? You'll find out in this video how something simple can revolutionize your health, helping to resolve issues that traditional medicines can't always treat without causing side effects. What's more, it's something you can include in your daily life easily and without much expense. But before I tell you what it is, answer me this. How many times have you turned to the convenience of processed foods? Frozen foods that promise to save you dinner in minutes, ready-made dishes full of artificial flavor and preservatives that mask what your body really needs to function well? It's not your fault. The fast pace of modern life is cruel, and time is a luxury. But these dietary shortcuts come at a high price. Weight gain, tiredness, heart problems, joint pain, and even that constant feeling that you're aging faster than you should. And the truth is that all of this is fueled, literally, by what we put on our plates. But what if I told you that there was an alternative that was as powerful as it was easy to incorporate into your routine? Something natural, effective, and that has been used for generations by cultures that value traditional medicine and prevention, not just treatment. And best of all, this secret is closer to you than you think. Stay with me until the end of this video because I'm going to reveal not only what this food is, but also how to use it correctly to get all its benefits. And no, it's not a fad or a miracle recipe from the internet. It's something proven, tested, and that you can apply to your day-to-day. Are you curious? Then get ready to transform the way you view your diet and well-being. I'm going to show you the way to a healthier life with more energy and vitality. But first, tell me in the comments, do you believe that a small change can make a big difference? Because I do. And this ingredient is proof of that. Now that you understand the importance of making conscious choices to improve your health, it's time to talk about something extraordinary. Imagine a food that can cleanse your body, eliminating toxins that have accumulated over time. A powerful ally that helps balance the metabolism, reduce inflammation in the joints, and improve the health of your cardiovascular system. This ingredient has such powerful properties that it can bring noticeable results in a short space of time. More energy on a daily basis, less bloating, more efficient digestion, and even more restful sleep are just some of the benefits it provides. What's more, it's a veritable goldmine of antioxidants, fighting premature aging and strengthening the immune system. And don't think we're talking about something exotic or expensive. This food is within your reach and can be easily integrated into your routine. With it, you can create a simple and incredibly powerful drink that will be part of your daily care ritual. And if you're thinking that this is just another promise, let me tell you, what I'm about to reveal in the next few minutes has historical and scientific backing. It's not just a common culinary ingredient, it's a real natural remedy used by different cultures around the world. The question is, are you ready to discover and embrace a simple, affordable, and incredibly effective solution? Keep watching, because the answer you're looking for is about to be revealed. The laurel is a plant that originated in the Mediterranean region and was widely used in ancient times by both the Greeks and the Romans. Considered a symbol of wisdom and victory, laurel was used in rituals, as a spice, and even as a natural remedy to relieve a number of conditions. Its medicinal use has been documented for over 2,000 years. Rich in bioactive compounds such as cineol, tannins, and alkaloids, laurel also contains a number of vitamins and minerals that are essential for human health. These include vitamin A, essential for healthy vision, skin, and the immune system. Vitamin C, powerful antioxidant that helps strengthen immunity and fight free radicals. B-complex, B6, B9 promotes nervous system balance and improves energy production. Calcium, iron, and magnesium, essential minerals for bone health, oxygen transportation, and proper muscle function. Main benefits of laurel tea: improves digestion, Bay leaves stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, relieving symptoms such as heartburn, bloating, and poor digestion. It is especially effective after heavy meals. Anti-inflammatory action. Its active compounds help reduce inflammation in the body, relieving joint and muscle pain, making it an ally in conditions such as arthritis. Blood sugar regulation. Studies show that regular consumption of laurel tea can help balance glucose levels, making it useful for people with type 2 diabetes. Strengthening the immune system. Rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, the tea helps boost the body's defenses against common infections and diseases. Calming properties. Laurel has a relaxing effect, helping to combat stress, improve sleep quality, and reduce anxiety. Respiratory health. With its expectorant action, it is excellent for relieving problems such as colds, coughs, and nasal congestion. Detoxifying the body. Tea acts as a natural diuretic, helping to eliminate toxins and combat fluid retention. Over the centuries, laurel tea has gone from a traditional solution to a valued resource in modern nutrition. Its beneficial effects are both preventative and therapeutic, making it a natural alternative for improving health in a holistic way. Before we continue with more valuable information about laurel tea and how it can transform your health, I'd like to take this opportunity to extend a special invitation to you. If you like this video and want to continue discovering how natural foods can drastically improve your quality of life, subscribe to our channel now. Just click on the subscribe button below. Don't forget to activate the bell to receive notifications whenever we publish new content. Also, let us know what you think in the comments. Did you already know about the benefits of laurel? Do you have any experiences with the tea that you'd like to share? Your feedback is very important to us. And there's more. Once you've finished this video, be sure to explore our exclusive playlist with other magical foods that can revolutionize your health. In it, you'll find incredible tips for taking care of your body in a natural and effective way. Just go to the end of the video or search for it on our channel. Now, let's continue delving into the fascinating universe of laurel tea and find out how you can include it in your routine to enjoy all these benefits. Now that you know how powerful laurel tea is for your health, it's time to learn how to use it in a practical and effective way in your daily life. In addition, let's explore what transformations you can expect by adopting it as part of your routine over a long period of time. How to prepare laurel tea. Preparing laurel tea is simple, but it does require some care to ensure you get the most out of its benefits. Ingredients needed: 4 fresh or dried bay leaves and 500 milliliters of water. How to prepare. Boil the water and, as soon as it starts to bubble, add the bay leaves. Cover the container and leave the tea to infuse for about 10 minutes. Strain the liquid and consume while still warm. For best results, it is recommended to drink the tea just after your main meals, once or twice a day. Avoid sweetening it with sugar. If necessary, use a small amount of natural honey. Results of incorporating laurel tea into your routine. First few weeks. In the first few days, you may already notice an improvement in digestion. Symptoms such as bloating and heartburn tend to reduce rapidly. In addition, the tea begins to act as a mild diuretic, helping to eliminate excess fluids and toxins from the body. After a month of use, the immune system will be stronger. You will notice greater resistance to common colds and infections. For those suffering from joint pain, the anti-inflammatory effects will also begin to show more clearly. After 3 months of continuous use, blood glucose levels can show significant improvements, especially for those predisposed to or already suffering from type 2 diabetes. The tea also contributes to the gradual reduction of LDL cholesterol, promoting better cardiovascular health. After 6 months or more, in the long term, you'll feel a noticeable improvement in your mood and quality of life. Laurel helps prevent chronic diseases related to inflammation and oxidative stress, contributing to healthier and more active aging. Tips for maximizing the benefits. Combine the consumption of laurel tea with a balanced diet rich in natural foods. Combine the tea with other healthy practices, such as regular physical activity and moments of relaxation to reduce stress. Maintain regular consumption. Laurel tea is not an immediate solution, but its effects are consistent when used continuously. Important warning: although laurel tea is safe for most people, excessive consumption should be avoided as it can cause discomfort such as nausea or dizziness. In addition, pregnant women, nursing mothers, or people with specific health conditions should consult a doctor before starting regular consumption. Now that you know how to include laurel tea in your daily life, the next step is to try it out and start seeing the benefits in practice. In the last topic, we'll bring you an inspiring final message and an invitation to explore even more transformative content here on the channel. Now imagine you start drinking laurel tea regularly. Within the first week, you already feel the difference. Your body feels lighter, digestive problems start to disappear, and even the quality of your sleep improves. As the months go by, you notice how your joints ache less, your immunity is stronger, and that constant tiredness gives way to renewed energy. Little by little, you feel more alive, healthier, and better prepared to enjoy life to the full. That's the magic of incorporating something so simple, yet so powerful, into your routine. It's a small change, but one that can have a huge impact over time. And the amazing thing is that laurel tea is just the beginning. Here on the channel, we have a multitude of videos like this one, exploring other magic foods that can dramatically transform your health. If you enjoyed this content, you'll love checking out our exclusive playlist with other natural ingredients that make a difference to the lives of those who consume them regularly. Don't miss this opportunity to continue your journey towards a healthier, more balanced life. Once you've finished this video, click on the playlist and discover the power of other incredible foods that you can start using today. Your health deserves this special care.